guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this Valentine's Day inspired look. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look and all the mess ups that came with it, then please keep watching. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into our eye look. So I did already complete my base. If you guys are interested, I used the Pat McGrath foundation as well as the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat Blur Primer. And now we're here. First, I'm gonna go ahead and actually use my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to set underneath my eyes in a sense that we're gonna be baking. But this is really going to be for us to catch any fallout that we might have from our eyeshadows. So I did a poll on Instagram asking you guys which eyeshadow palette you guys wanted to see a Valentine's Day look, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, like, come on now, sis. Follow me on Instagram. So you guys did select this Hipdot eyeshadow palette, and here are the colors that we have to play with today. So it's really, really Valentine's-y oriented, I feel like, the colors. So I was like, okay, we have to use this. So let's go ahead and let's get started. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and prime our eyes using our p.louise eye base, and this is in the shade Rumor 1. I personally really love using this eyeshadow base because it helps my colors pop just way more than a concealer does. I mean, you could totally use a concealer for this purpose, but as far as showing off the actual pigmentation in the colors, I feel like this does wonders. So I would highly recommend this if you are into colored eyeshadows. If not, your concealer is still perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and jump into our palette. So today we're going to start off by using Maize, and this is just like a very nice soft brown neutral color. And I'm gonna go ahead and just work this into my crease and just kind of establish a transition color for all the shades. So I personally find this to be the best step as far as blending your eyeshadows, because this gives it something to, one, make the p.louise eye base, you know, less tacky, but it also allows for the other colors, in my opinion, to just seamlessly transition into one another because they have something underneath that's allowing them to easily blend. So the first color that we're gonna take is Wanderlust, which is a dusty pink. And I'm gonna go ahead and place this all over Maize. So this is going to be the gradient that the entire look is gonna fade into. So you wanna just go somewhat up into the brow bone, not necessarily in the brow bone, but you wanna just have this fade out to that point because all the other colors are gonna be stacked on top of this one. And I am going a little bit out as far as like the ending point goes because I think I wanna do a cat eye, but I don't know, sis, I'm not sure yet. We're just winging it right now. Next, I'm gonna take Grounded, and I'm gonna go ahead and focus this on my crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and look a little bit down, and I'm gonna start at the outer crease, and then I'm gonna work it inwards towards the inner part of my eye. So I accidentally looked on Amazon, not even accidentally. The Jordan asked me what I wanted for Valentine's Day, and I told him, and I even, like, you know, pulled up some pictures and everything so he knew exactly which one to get. And I didn't expect for him to order it right then and there because I was still looking, and then he ordered it, and then I looked, and then it said, oh, your order is now, like, you know, on its way. And I'm just like, and he was pretty mad. He was just like, why are you looking? What are you looking for? Why are you looking? And I was just like, why are you all up in my business? Like, let me look for what I'm looking for. But he was trying to hide it because he had just ordered it. But I'm like, why you move so fast? Like, why you order it as soon as I told you? Like, I still could have changed my mind. But I feel really bad because obviously now it's no longer a surprise, but I'm really good at acting surprised, so I'm still act surprised. So I am winging it because I think I am going to do a cat eye with this look. So we're just bringing it out, and pretty much we're having it meet the end of our brow right here. So you just want to keep building it up and blending it out and building it up and blending it out, because that will essentially give you that gradient effect. So after placing Grounded and really building it up, I'm going to go ahead with that first brush that we used, and I'm not adding any extra product at this very moment, but I'm gonna go ahead and just blend out those edges at the top. And then I'm gonna go back in with Wanderlust, and I'm gonna go ahead and just taper out those edges a little bit more. And you can see from this eye to this eye how Wanderlust just kind of brings those edges out a little bit more, but softens them in a way that you can leave it like this, but I don't know, it just doesn't feel complete. So add your lighter color to that to blend that out. Now with a pencil brush, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take Narrows here, which is a little bit deeper pink color, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna actually draw this into my crease. This is going to be our line of definition, where we're gonna go all the way to the front end of our lid, and I'm gonna fit this to our crease and then out with that little wing that we've been doing. So the pencil brush is to really just lay the product and really sculpt out the shape that we're going for, and we're going to use a smaller brush to blend this out a little bit better, so that way it isn't just like a harsh line. And again, you do want to go to the inner part of your eyelid. And then with a more tapered brush, I'm going to go ahead, I'm not going to add any product, but I'm going to just go in and just blend this out so that, again, it's not just like a harsh, crazy line. Just going back and forth, back and forth. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut our crease. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my p.louise eye base, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. So I'm gonna just take my brush and just carve out where I want this new color to go. And so I'm gonna go pretty far up, and I'm also going to go ahead and create a wing just like we did with our eyeshadow. And I'm more so packing it on versus like dragging it. Now we're gonna go in with sandstone, and I'm going to pack this all over my lid. And again, I'm not going to smear this on my eyelid. I am pressing because I don't want to disturb the other colors that we already laid down or make them mix together. And if it transfers like that, don't worry, just go ahead with that brush that you used to lay those colors down, and you're gonna just go ahead and blend that back out. You can absolutely leave this eye mattified like this, but what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go in with the shade Virgin, and this is like a nice champagne-y color. I'm gonna pop this on the inner part of my eyelid. I'm gonna take this actually all over the lid because that's actually a really cute color. Okay, so as you guys see, we have both of our creases cut. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're actually gonna move into one of the fun parts about this look, which is gonna be the liners. And today we're gonna be using our NYX Vivid Brights eyeliners, and this one is in the shade Vivid Petal. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my brush, I'm gonna look down, and I'm going to trace right over where the glitter shade meets and where our crease meets. Oh shit. Okay, don't look up. Oh no! Oh! Alright, so if you guys mess up like I just did, take your liner and just create a little bit more of a dramatic eyeliner. Give it a second before you look up, because clearly we don't want to mess this up again. Dang, I hope this doesn't look crazy when I open my eyes, you guys. Like, it's pretty thick right now, I could tell already. Okay, so it's actually not that bad. But before I show you guys how to fix this, because I know this is probably going to be something that you guys might run into as well, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do the other eye, and then I'm going to show you guys how I fix this, because yeah, no, we messed up a little bit, but that's okay. Power of makeup. This one is even worse. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys, what the f did I just do? I'm glad you guys are able to witness this entire makeup look, because you guys might run into this problem. That is okay. If you guys run into this problem, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So hopefully this look comes out to be a hit. Oh my gosh. So we're going to go back in with Narrows, which is that darker pink color, on that same pointy tip that we applied it with. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add this right on top of the mess up area. Oh my gosh, it's crumbling. Okay, no. What the hell? Okay, we're just gonna bring it up. We're gonna try not to touch the eyeliner because for some reason it is crumbling on us, which is okay. We can go ahead and reline it up, but I don't understand why it's doing that. Like, what the hell is going on here? With that brush that we blended it out with, we're going to blend it out again. And we're just going to soften it up so that way they still gradate into one another. I am so confused. Why is this crumbling like this though? Sus, what did I do? Damn. Okay. Okay, you know what? Roll with it. Roll with it, sis. And one is like thick AF. Like, why is she so thick? Damn. The more I try to fix this look, the worse that it is like turning out. Like, it's not, but it is. It's about to start making me angry, and I'm just like, should I just keep going? Because the look is coming out like kind of cute. Like, I could work with this. I'll put some lashes on and we'll call it a day. But I'm really like, I'm mad that it's like cracking like this? Like, why, Nyx? What is going on? I'm really trying to make it work. Like, that's who I am. I'm gonna try to make it work, but I'm getting frustrated. From afar, you guys obviously can't really tell. We're gonna keep going, sis. We're gonna go ahead and we're going to take the same colors that we used on top to go ahead and smoke out our bottom lash line. So first I'm gonna start off with Wanderlust, and I'm going to go ahead and just smoke out the bottom lashes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take Grounded. So I am gonna go ahead and create a wing. I'm gonna try to do a subtle wing because we have, you know, our graphic wing already going, and I'm gonna be using my eyeliner to help me do so. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes from Lily Lashes, and this is in the style It's Lit. I actually just washed these lashes today and got all the gook and mascara and all the extra stuff off of them. So we're gonna go ahead and apply these right now. So next I'm gonna take my e.l.f. eyeliner and I'm gonna go ahead and line my bottom lash line. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to my lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and dust off this powder and finish up the rest of this face, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Alrighty guys, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Valentine's Day struggle tutorial with me. Oh my gosh, I hope it was insightful. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to try it out. If you guys aren't, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I do post every Tuesday and Friday, so if you can't remember that, make sure to hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I do release a video. And if you haven't, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will link all of that down below so that way you can easily click and follow. And let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. Since we are still quarantined, I know we all gotta get a little creative this year. So let me know what you're gonna do down in the comment section below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.